Hey everyone, it's Amy and I have a really cool product today that we are going to be talking about. It's called WeLock. You guys, this is a door knob and lock that will replace your old door handle, your dumb door handle that requires a key to enter in and out. This is going to give you keyless entry with a keypad. So that is really, really cool. You don't have to worry about having keys on you. You can just enter a passcode, but this has some really, really smart technology that you guys are going to really appreciate and can come in handy in so many different situations. So first off, this is going to be a game changer for if you have like a babysitter coming in and out, someone coming to water your plants while you're out of town, maybe a house cleaner that comes in and out, that type of thing, or becoming more and more popular, renting out your home or a room in your home for Airbnb guests. So instead of having to have a key for someone, you can just give them the passcode. So that way they can get in and out. You don't have to put a key underneath your mat. You don't have to worry about things. You don't have to worry about, how many times have you gone on vacation and had somebody maybe watch your dog or your cat and given them a key and then never gotten the key back because they lost it. And now your extra spare key is just floating around out there in the world. Okay, that doesn't happen anymore because you have WeLock, a much smarter solution. It's going to really, really be convenient. So you guys, it's not just one passcode. So you might be wondering like, do you have to change it every time or something? No, this stores up to 10. And you guys don't worry, this is so easy to install. I will show you. All it really requires is just a screwdriver, no special tools, no special equipment, nothing like that. You are going to take your old lock out, obviously, and then you put this guy in the middle. That's where the lock goes, and this is really cool. You can see this part right here, this black thing is adjustable, so no matter what size door you're dealing with, this is gonna work for you. It's really, really highly adaptable and it's super easy to use. After you put that part in the middle, you just put these guys on either side. You can see easy, simple screws. They are Phillips head, so it's something that we all have at home. It's really, really easy to do. And you have your keypad right here. It also, you guys, this is really cool. You have your emergency, like if you do, for whatever reason, forget the keypad or whatever, you have keys that you can use for it. And check this guy out right here. Emergency charging port for like, maybe you're locked out, maybe you need whatever. You can have battery backup power right there. Super, super awesome. I can definitely think of a lot of times when that would come in handy. Really amazing. You have, like, just check this out so you can kind of get an idea. It's got a very modern feel to it. So this one is in silver. It's gonna match everything. It's gonna look really good no matter what your home decor is, or office or hotel room or whatever it might be. It's very stylish, very cool. Like I said, you have, like, it's really easy to program. It comes with all the instructions and you're gonna be able to program up to 10 different passcodes for different occasions. You're gonna know who's coming in and out. It's easy to install and you're just gonna feel a lot safer and more secure whenever you have, a smart lock. You have something that you don't have to worry about carrying around those keys on you. If you have kids, that's great too, because you don't have to worry about them keeping up with keys and maybe they're gonna lose them and be locked out of the house. No more worries. They just have their passcode that they can use. You don't have to worry about loaning out your keys anymore. You can just give it a passcode and change those up as you go. It's really, really easy. This is totally affordable, easy. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. And I just think it's a really cool product, and that's why I wanted to bring it to you guys and show it off. I really think that this is something that, start your Airbnb business. It makes it easy. Make some extra money out of your house. Make it easier for your house cleaner and your babysitter, your plant water to come in and out. And yeah, you guys check this out. WeLock. They are awesome.